They're putting in the orders, and then before they get the chance to actually click the buy button, sold out. Unfortunately, gold does definitely go up and down in value, but they're not buying it just because they're beautiful gold bars. No, they're buying it because they're afraid that the economy is going to crash. Let's be realistic here. Costco is selling gold bars, but there's a huge problem with it. And I hope you are ready to learn what that problem is. Because if you want to go get those Costco gold bars that everybody's talking about, you're going to have to pay up. You're going to have to pay market price plus a little bit extra, right? A little bit of margin on top. But the real problem with this is that you can't buy any of them. They're selling out so fast, nobody's able to get their hands on them. They're putting in the orders, and then before they get the chance to actually click the buy button, sold out. Hey, if you're just tuning in, my name is Christopher. You'll uncover the biggest headlines of the day and what the AI trading data says about it. And if you're interested in that too, be sure to definitely hit the subscribe button down below and start trading with AI today. Go to ovtlyr.com to see why outliers win. Now, if you are one of those people who thinks that the economy has some issues out there, you're probably one of those people who are also looking to buy some of these gold bars. And Costco members have left reviews of the 24 karat gold bars, and the reviews are glowing. People are loving them. They're saying, hey, I am so stoked with my purchase of gold from Costco. And Costco's reportedly selling out of the shiny item even before they get listed online, right? I'm sure that there are plenty of people out there who can't wait to get their hands on these gold bars. And it makes total sense, right? Gold is they call it a store of value. And people are being pretty smart with this, right? You can get the Costco credit card, and you can actually buy the gold on a credit card. Now, you're limited to just 2, but you're going to get like 2 to 4% back depending on what credit card you have. So it's like you're making money right off the bat with these gold bars. But unfortunately, gold does definitely go up and down in value. And even though if you're putting that on, you may be paying a small 1% premium to get that gold from Costco. So you may be up maybe 1 to 3% or so. But if the price of gold starts going down, your plan to make some easy money with the gold bars may not work out so well. But it's not just that, right? Older people, the boomer generation, you could call them that, love gold because they really feel that gold is where they can safely protect their money. And so people buy up these gold bars every chance they get. In fact, my father-in-law, before he passed away, he was a boomer, and he didn't really believe in the banking system. He thought there were lots of issues in the banking system, lots of issues with China, lots of those like typical tinfoil hat type people. But one thing he did do was he put all of his retirement funds in literal gold, into actual physical gold. So when he passed away, he had a safe full of gold coins like we didn't even know about. And so there's a lot of people who are probably thinking of, hey, this could be my retirement fund. I need to start buying these gold bars as much as I can. Let's see. It says that they're pricing them between $1,949 and $1,979. So basically $2,000 an ounce, right? And you can pick between either one of these. They've got the African refinery, I think it said. The Rand refinery has these elephants on it. And then the Pamp refinery, the Swiss supplier, has this design on it as well. Additionally, I truly appreciate that it came in secured packaged in a sealed container, ensuring its purity and safety. All in all, fantastic purchase. I'd highly recommend it for anybody seeking out quality gold bars. And reviewers have noticed the intricate designs and praised it for its quality. Well, that's great and all, but they're not buying it just because they're beautiful gold bars. No, they're buying it because they're afraid that the economy is going to crash. Let's be realistic here. People are buying these gold bars because they feel like the soft landing that the Fed is trying to engineer, they don't think that that's actually going to be happening. They really think that there's going to be a crash on the horizon, and a really easy way to help protect themselves is by hoarding gold. So they're doing it with these new gold bars from Costco. Let's take a quick look at what the AI trading data says about Costco. It's actually been on a nice run lately, but we just got a sell signal yesterday. So if you're a Costco shareholder, now may be the time to go ahead and get out and take those profits while you have it. In fact, this signal return has generated 135.97% return. So if you're interested in getting these signals and access to this data, go to ovtlyr.com to see why outliers win. Now let's go see what the internet has to say about this, right? We've got a lot of people with a lot of opinions here. Not Jerome Powell. He says, I bought them all. And this person's saying the gold bars are not refundable, but these diamond rings are. We're definitely getting ready for a hard landing. And this person says, I'm going to start buying some gold. Time to diversify. Costco sells everything. And in a volatile market, gold retains its allure as a safe haven asset. Costco shoppers know this all too well. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And if you thought this video was great, be sure you watch one of these two. YouTube thinks you're going to love them.